Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Roblox app update fail. If Roblox app update fails, you check your device storage and network connection. Head over to your settings and then see if you have enough storage. Go into general, then click on iPhone storage and make sure that you have sufficient space for the app. After that, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then you're going to go ahead and try updating your app again. Go to App Store, search for Roblox, and then update your app to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest fixes and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. Then clear the App Store cache on Android or restart the App Store on iPhone. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find App Store and then swipe it away. Then restart it, search for Roblox and then try updating it again. Then if it continues failing, uninstall and reinstall Roblox, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.